nice.
Smell nice.
Like sugar and spice.
Did you hear those comments? If you want to see how I make this French toast that smells nice and tastes like sugar and spice, then keep watching. These are some of the things you'll need: sugar, salt, nutmeg, cinnamon powder, and vanilla extract. You'll also need for base cow's milk and evaporated milk. 1 cup. You can make it half and half if you so desire. Then get a bowl and pour your milks in it. Then add the rest of your ingredients: sugar, cinnamon powder, vanilla extract, salt, and your nutmeg. Then get your whisk and whisk away. Make sure that you whisk until the sugar grains are dissolved. It will have a frothy appearance, as you'll see in a few seconds. There it is. Then now you're going to get some coconut oil. Now this coconut oil is going to give it the island flavor. You know how nice coconut is, or maybe you don't, but I'm telling you, coconut oil will add a different flavor to this French toast. Then add some butter, and this will help to not let the bread stick to the pan, as well as it will give it a lovely flavor. Soak the bread according to your likeness and then place in the pan. Make sure that the pan is hot before, or the oil is hot before you put the bread slices in, or it will stick to the pan. And we don't want any sticking now, do we? No, no. And this is the first set. It is toasting up really, really nice. And I like mine really crunchy, so I soaked it up a little extra and then I let it fry up a little extra. Now before you put in the other set, be sure to clean the pan, especially if it's a little extra brown, and repeat the process. A little coconut oil and a little bit of butter. Give it a little bit of shake to make sure that it's evenly distributed in the pan before you add any bread. Remember to shake off the excess. And there it is. When you see it starting to bubble around the edges, then that means it's ready to be turned. Just give it a little bit of a jiggle. All right, see there? See around the edges? It's ready to be turned. And I turned that set. And in the interest of time, I went ahead and went to about the final set. And there we have it. I'm plating it up. And guys, let me tell you, it was delicious. Really delicious. Serve it up with a few scoops of your favorite ice cream. You can add fruits, or you can also add nuts. It's up to you. But I served it up with some ice cream because at this time, and then I poured some maple syrup over it. At this time, I don't really want to have anything cold, so this was the best way for me to have some ice cream, because of course you know that the bread slices are warm and it's going to take off a lot of the cold from the ice cream when it's all melted down. Thank you for watching, guys, and I really do hope that you enjoyed this recipe. And I'll have to say, bon appetit. Make sure you try it. All right. Thank you for watching.